If you've upgraded to iOS 26, you've probably noticed some big changes to your iPhone. Maybe you don't like that new liquid glass transparency look, or maybe your battery life has gotten worse after the update. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 8 settings you need to turn off right now to improve your battery life, protect your privacy, and make your phone feel better. So make sure you watch until the very end. The very first thing most people want to do is get rid of that liquid glass look. It's that blurry, transparent effect on your home screen and control center. A lot of people find it harder to read, but here's the thing. It's also draining your battery because your iPhone has to work harder to render all those transparency effects. So let's turn it off. Open your Settings app and scroll down to Accessibility. Tap on it, then tap on Display and Text Size. Now turn on Reduce Transparency. This removes that blurry glass effect throughout iOS 26 and makes everything sharper and easier to read. Plus, it saves battery life because your iPhone doesn't have to work as hard to create those visual effects. Now, while we're in accessibility, let's fix another battery drainer. Tap back, then scroll down to Motion and tap on it. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see Limit Frame Rate. You'll only see this if you have an iPhone 13 Pro or newer Pro model. If you don't see it, just skip this step, but if you do, turn it on. This changes your display from 120 frames per second down to 60. Most people can't tell the difference in everyday use, but your battery definitely can. This can add hours to your battery life throughout the day. Now let's talk about privacy, because iOS 26 added some new data collection features. Tap back twice to get to the main settings page, then scroll down to Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Apple Intelligence Report. This is brand new in iOS 26, and it allows Apple to collect data about your messages, text, and anything you do with their AI tools. Tap Report Duration and switch it to Off. Then hit OK. A lot of people don't know this is on by default, so definitely turn it off. While we're here, go back and tap on Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics. This stops Apple from collecting information about how you use your phone. Below that, you might see other options like Share iCloud Analytics or Improve Siri. Turn all of these off as well. This protects your privacy and saves a bit of battery life. Now let's fix one of the biggest battery drainers. Go back to the main settings page, tap on General, then scroll down to Background App Refresh. This is probably the biggest culprit for battery drain after updating to iOS 26. It lets apps run in the background even when you're not using them, constantly downloading data and draining your battery. Tap on Background App Refresh at the top and switch it to Off. Your apps will still update when you open them, you just might wait an extra second. But it's definitely worth it for the battery life you'll save. Now let's check the most important battery setting Apple added. Go back to the main settings page, scroll down to Battery, then tap on Battery Health and Charging. Open this Charging section, which should be right under the Battery Health button. When you charge to 100% every night, it wears down your battery faster over time. Tap on Charge Limit and set it to 90%. Your phone will only charge to 90% and then stop. The difference between 90% and 100% is only a few hours, but limiting to 90% extends your battery's lifespan by months or even years. Now let's fix a battery drainer that affects anyone who types a lot. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. Tap on it, then tap on Keyboard Feedback. Turn off both sound and haptic. The haptic vibration uses significant battery life, especially if you text a lot. Every keystroke triggers a tiny vibration, and over hundreds of keystrokes per day, it really drains your battery. You'll get used to typing without it quickly. Finally, let's do some housekeeping that stops annoying notifications and can save you money. Go back to the main settings page, scroll to the top, and tap on your name. Tap on Personal Info, then scroll down and tap on Communication Preferences. Turn off all of the options which you see on this page. This stops Apple from sending you promotional emails and marketing messages. Now go back and tap on Subscriptions. You'll see all your active subscriptions. If you're like me, you've probably forgotten about subscriptions that are still charging you every month. Go through this list and cancel anything you don't use anymore. This can save you $10, $20, or even $50 per month. And those are the 8 settings to turn off after updating to iOS 26. We removed the liquid glass effect and saved battery. We turned on limit frame rate for Pro iPhones. We turned off Apple Intelligence reporting and analytics for privacy. We turned off background app refresh for massive battery savings. We set charge limit to 90% for long-term battery health. We turned off keyboard haptics. And we stopped Apple's marketing emails and checked subscriptions. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.